Hey, everybody. Good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Viking Therapeutics? This is ticker VKTX. Now, this stock initially got on our radar because of some members over at StockMarketMentor.com, and it actually made it onto Dan Fitzpatrick's active trade list today. Now, before I get into the chart, I just want to say this is one of the beautiful things about StockMarketMentor.com because we not only try and help our members with our experience and technical analysis, but we also listen to our members and pay attention to the stocks that are on their radar as well. And so if you are looking for a community that is more than just a one-way conversation where you have some guru telling you what to buy and sell all day, definitely check out what we're up to at stockmarketmentor.com because it's more of a community and a conversation rather than just a blast of tickers all day long. So this is one that one of our members had been doing some fundamental analysis on and some technical analysis on, and it got onto Dan Fitzpatrick's radar today, and for good reason. We see Viking Therapeutics has had multiple positive earnings reports in a row, 3 green E's. That's what I like to see. And their next earnings report isn't coming up until the end of October. So earnings, not an issue. That's good to know. From a technical standpoint, we can see that it's near and around its key moving averages, and it's in a bit of a downward sloping trend line pattern here, where it's been consolidating after this big gap up, chopping in and around these moving averages, but also finding support around these moving averages. And so what I would say here on Viking Therapeutics is right here, right now, is probably an interesting spot to take a starter position. Now, starter position could be 100 shares for you. It could be 1 share for you. Essentially, what you want is a position that's enough for it to stay on your radar and not lose track of it. And so I would consider looking at a starter position here in and around these key moving averages, and then watch for a break higher above this clear downward sloping trend line, maybe have an alert just under $69 and look for a strong move through that level coming on volume. So you want to see it get above that zone, stay above that zone, and ideally use these moving averages like the 21-day exponential period moving average as a level of support to define your risk off of. So this is just one of many stocks that we'll be looking at tonight over at stockmarketmentor.com. If you want to see my full list, click that link, take a trial. I think Dan's doing a promotion right now where you can actually try out Stock Market Mentor for 30 days for like $7. Best deal in town. I guarantee it. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you next time.